Install the toilet after new flooring by planning flange height, seal method, and bolt alignment to prevent leaks and fit issues. Start by confirming the finished floor height and choose a flange that sits on top of that finished floor surface so the toilet horn will compress the wax ring correctly. If the existing flange is below the finished floor by more than 1/4 inch, use a flange extender or a raised flange to bring it to the proper level and avoid an undercompressed seal. Replace the wax ring with a new one sized for your flange and toilet type, and consider a wax-free or rubberized ring when floor height concerns or repeated removals are likely. Before placing the bowl set, the closet flange bolts loosely and lower the bowl straight down without rocking to center the horn on the seal. Check that the bowl is flush and level front to back and side to side using a small level, and use shims under the base where porcelain does not sit flat, then tighten the nuts evenly in small increments to avoid cracking. After tightening, trim bolt covers, reinstall tank hardware if separate, reconnect the water supply, and run a test flush while inspecting the base for any signs of leakage. Common mistakes include installing the flange below the finished floor, which leads to a crushed or uneven seal. Fix this by using a flange spacer or extender and confirm the flange sits on top of the finished surface. Another frequent issue is reusing an old wax ring, which can cause slow leaks or sewer gas odor. Always install a new ring and choose the correct profile for your flange and toilet outlet. Over-tightening the mounting nuts or tightening one side fully before the other can crack the porcelain or create an uneven bowl. Avoid this by tightening alternatingly and only until snug, using shims as needed to remove rocking. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare profiles so we can plan installations like this with clear expectations and timelines. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and practical advice for projects such as toilet reinstallations.